Window dressing. This is a round effect, and you play it during the next opponent faction play. Place face down in round effect. Reveal immediately after opponent draws their next faction card. Randomly select 2 faction cards from their hand, choose which one they must play, return unused card to opponent. So we would place it face down in the round effect. Then the opponent would basically have his hand up, he would draw a faction card to his hand, and then you would say, wait, flip the card over, got window dressing, then he would randomly put all the cards together, and then you would draw 2 out of there, give him back his other 2 cards, and you'll see in this case that there's 2 options. You're going to choose one of those options, give the other one back, and in this case it turns out really well for you because it says kill 1 recruit, draw 1 random afterlife card, and place in your recruits. Well, guess what? All he has is recruits. We don't have any recruits on our side, so I'm going to force him to play that one. He'll kill either one of his cards. No afterlife cards would come right back to him, and he loses basically his faction play. So this is a very good strategic card.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.